Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. You'll do better next time. In this lesson, we will learn how to use this phrase. Okay, let's begin. To start, I want to ask you some warm-up questions. Try to think of the answers. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? What's today's full date? What's today's full date? What time is it on this clock? What time is it on this clock? What are you going to do after school today? What are you going to do after school today? Would you rather have 3 arms or have 3 legs? Would you rather have 3 arms or have 3 legs? Okay, I hope you could answer those basic warm-up questions. Let's begin today's lesson. My results are today. What is he trying to say? Ah, I see. My results are bad today. I couldn't get a good score. You'll do better next time. Okay, let's take a look at some other examples. I couldn't fix the toilet. I couldn't fix the toilet. You'll do better next time. I couldn't find any water for you to drink. I couldn't find any water for you to drink. You'll do better next time. I didn't find a fan to use. I didn't find a fan to use. You'll do better next time. I couldn't catch the mosquito. I couldn't catch the mosquito. You'll do better next time. The candy I made doesn't taste good. The candy I made doesn't taste good. You'll do better next time. I cried because I didn't jump high enough. I cried because I didn't jump high enough. You'll do better next time. I got mad because I lost the game. I got mad because I lost the game. You'll do better next time. People didn't enjoy the music I played for them. People didn't enjoy the music I played for them. You'll do better next time. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. Please repeat after me. Justin, why the long face? Or, why do you look sad? Okay, repeat after me. I couldn't keep up with the other runners today. I couldn't keep up with the other runners today. Don't worry, Justin. You'll do better next time. I gave the dog the wrong food. Don't worry. You'll get it right next time. Don't worry. You'll get it right next time. I made a big mess in the kitchen. Don't worry. You'll be careful next time. Don't worry. You'll be careful next time. I dropped a plate and it smashed. That's okay. You'll buy a new one in Daiso. That's okay. You'll buy a new one in Daiso. I lost my credit card at dinner. That's okay. You'll get a new one from the bank. That's okay. you'll get a new one from the bank. I forgot to clean my room before my mum got home. Don't worry, you'll tidy it up quickly. Don't worry, you'll tidy it up quickly. I fell asleep whilst doing my homework. That's okay. You'll finish it by the deadline. That's okay. You'll finish it by the deadline. I missed the chance to get my idol's autograph. Don't worry. You'll get another chance. Don't worry. You'll get another chance. I couldn't catch a single thing in the UFO catcher. That's okay. You'll win a prize next time. That's okay. You'll win a prize next time. Okay, well done everybody. Good practice. Now, let's finish today's lesson with a game. This is the telephone game. Speed reading. Here are the rules. Each student will say a word. Read the words as fast as you can. For example, the quick brown fox. Try to think, what is the sentence? In this case, it's the quick brown fox. Okay, round 1. Ready? Did you get it? One more time. Okay, what was it? That's right. Do better next time. Okay, round 2. Ready? What did they say? Did you catch it? That's right. Exciting to play games. Round 3. Okay, go. What did they say? Ready? Did you get it? They said, useful to do homework. Okay, round 4. Did you see what they said? What do you think? Yes, it helps me to relax. Okay, well done everybody. That's the end of today's lesson. Until next time, bye bye.